Hey, welcome to my stream. My name is Zombie Pixel, and today I'm going to be installing OS2 Warp version 4, or Warp 4. So yeah, we'll be doing it in real time. I've never done this before, so we'll see kind of what happens. So we'll be installing it on VirtualBox today, and I've got a guide pulled up that I will be following. I've already gone ahead and downloaded the CDs and the boot floppy. And gonna change the screen that we're looking at here. Let's see this. Here we go. All right, so in the floppy drive, let's add the disk here. Can I drag and drop it? Oh, there's a lot of disk here. All right, already I've got a list of like 100 disks. Let me check the guide for what I'm supposed to be loading into the floppy drive. Mount the install CD-ROM and the disk called installation.image. Do I have an installation.image? Let's check the CDs. Okay. Let's we'll choose a disk file. So in the downloads, there's a CD folder, and in the CD folder, there's an installation disk image. It says mount the CD-ROM. I'm not sure what CD it's talking about. Let me see if I can figure it out here. So let me check the files I got again. I've got the CD. Oh, there's only one CD disk image in there. So let me double check. You can see everything. Yeah, so in the CD I have the IBM OS2 Warp ISO and then the installation.img. And I think that's all we need for that. I'm gonna hit start and I'm gonna have to point it at the correct window again. We can get it here. There we go. All right. Insert diskette 1 into drive A. I think maybe I already shouldn't have hidden that window. Go into settings, switch out the installation floppy. Now the guide said to do disk 1. Yeah, okay, so in the same settings window, I'm just switching it to disk 1 image. And then press enter. So far, so good. The while that's going, let me release my mouse here. Let me check on the insert disc number 2 already. Okay. I was gonna say let me check on the guide, but I think the CD is gonna guide me through it a little bit here. So popping in disc 2. Like I said, I've never done this before. This is probably gonna be like a terrible guide for anyone who's trying to follow along, but I'm pretty computer savvy. We'll see. Alright, congratulations on your purchase of IBM OS2 Warp. OS2 Warp contains OS2 Warp version 4 bonus pack, voice type dictation. For OS2 Personal Edition, Java for OS2, and the following powerful networking services. The following panels will guide you through the installation of OS2 Warp operating system. Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and continue. Easy installation, please. The system must be restarted. Remove diskette from drive A. Insert installation diskette in drive A, then press enter key. Alright. So, just gonna show you what I'm doing here. So I'm going to storage, and then switching back to the installation image that I had. And then we're gonna press enter to restart, I believe. Enter. Now it says to do diskette 1 again. Now if this just restarts the whole process, I'm gonna have to check the guide to make sure I'm doing this right. Maybe this is checking the hard drive or checking the partitioning. We'll see. I wonder if I was supposed to remove the CD. Well, no, I probably need the installation CD still. I think this is taking a little bit longer than last time. That's a good sign. Let's see. Oh, I should have selected advanced mode. I've already done it wrong. Okay, I'm gonna shut this down. And I'm gonna start over because I should not have done the easy install. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, I know you're looking at the wrong screen. I'm just clearing out the hard drive, creating a new hard drive, and changing the boot disk back to the installation image. And I'm gonna hit start. We're gonna start this over. All right, switch it to disk 1. So I'm switching the floppy to disk 1. And then in like 30 seconds, it should be like, switch it to disk 2. Unless I didn't switch out the hard drives correctly. I'm seeing the wrong window is selected. Sorry about that. That's not the right one. There we go. All right, once again, switching out to disk image 2. Advanced installation. All right, let's see. I'm gonna read the guide now. It says, select advanced, accept the hard drive as is. So that would be, I guess, option 1, accept. Insert the installation diskette and press the enter key. All right, we'll do that. Again, disk 1. So much switching. About 13 minutes in, and unfortunately, we still haven't gotten really into the installation yet. Disk 2. Okay. Now, I think at this point, this is farther than we got before I stopped it. Why is it doing this? Accept the drive, right? Ah, here we go. So the guide said high performance file system. And then it says, wait throughout the copying phase. When it asks you to remove the diskette and press enter to restart, do so. If you reboot manually without pressing enter here, it messes up the install. remove the diskette and press enter. Settings, storage, floppy, remove. Okay. Enter. Okay, so it says on boot you'll get a graphical config interface, so hopefully we get that. Yeah, that looks promising. Pretty. All right, let's fix this. This should be United States. Same with the keyboard. Now the mouse is a little funky. Let's see if they the guide says anything about the mouse here. So it says the defaults on the first page are fine except CD-ROM, audio, and region. So for region, select United States. For CD-ROM device support, it should say IDE CD-ROM. It already does. And let me see if there's any other options, but it should be IDE CD-ROM. Yep. For audio, pick Sound Blaster 16 PMP. Audio. Do we have audio? Is that multimedia device support? Sound Blaster 16. All right, we'll continue. You shouldn't need to install anything on the second page. You probably don't want a printer, so hit OK. Alright, you probably want to select all the boxes on the software configuration page. This pack in particular is an Office Productivity Suite. Yes. I don't know that I need Java development, but might as well get it. Yeah, let's add it to the desktop so we have some stuff to look at. All right, on the dialog with TCP/IP, file, print, etc. The only settings you want probably is TCP/IP. Everything else is outdated. So let's check that. On the network configuration screen, select network adapters. There should be an AMD PC net already. There is, okay. If not, add one. Select TCP/IP services. If you have the DHCP, enable that. Otherwise, set it all to values that fit your network. I do have that. And I don't know about that. we'll go ahead and just do what it says. Select it, hit install. I'm not actually trying to get an internet connection on this, but if we can, that'd be nice, I guess. Oh, I didn't finish the IP configuration. I should have finished that. Oh well. I can probably go back and set it up some more after the installation. Outside, we got one of those birds. Those real annoying ones. For a moment, I thought it was part of the song. It might still be part of the song. I'm gonna lose my mind. Let me go outside and see if that bird is actually there or if the chirping is part of the song. I think it was part of the song. We got a bird that sounds just like that loves to hang outside the front door. It's starting to get a little hot in the sunroom. Let me go turn the AC back on. But this will be finishing up soon, it looks like. There's the AC. Thank you. Once again, we thank you for choosing OS2 Warp. Contact your local IBM representative, reseller, or visit our website to find out more about the entire set of IBM software solutions. I wonder if you can still reach out to IBM support about OS2. Like, IBM support, one of their main things is you give them a ton of money and they just like do whatever they need to do. So if your business runs on OS2 Warp, I wonder if they'll still support you. And I think after this, I should be able to remove the installation CD. I'm gonna have to switch it out for the driver installation CD. It probably will not work, but I'm curious if I can... I'm curious if I can go to google.com and if that will still work, because they have their services set up to be pretty flexible. Is it ready yet? I feel like we're so close. I did a little restart here. That sound is crazy. What is up with that sound? All right. It is a little jumpy. Yep. Okay. Let's remove this. All right. So first thing, I've never been in OS2 before, but following this guide, I'm gonna install a video driver. So I'm gonna be swapping out the installation CD with a os2_snap.iso. This will be the driver disk that I need. Does it just make that sound all the time? I'm warping every single time I open anything. Whoa. Okay. It says open the CD-ROM from drives, open WPFP15. I think I missed some letters there, but double click install command. I'm not seeing that. Open WP4 FP15. And double click install.cmd. Is this because I'm in tree view? That's better. Select the one item and click services or service. In the window that pops up, you need to enter an archive directory. In the middle field, I suggest C, capital C, backslash, arc, and then hit OK. You'll get a warning about locked files. Okay. Click continue. Install will take a while. Not that long, seemingly. When prompted to overwrite files, click OK. When finished, reboot. Remember shutdown from desktop. Remember to shut down from desktop, then reset. Okay, we'll do that. Then we're going to go back, open the CD-ROM drive again, and double-click snap os2.exe. You'll get an error about an unsupported graphics card. That's normal. Hit OK. Let the installer reboot. Then you should see a splash screen on startup. All right, and then we'll get into how to change the resolution and everything after that. So yeah, we're installing new graphics drivers for this. Now, what can we do in OS2 yet? I don't know. I might see if there's a paint program and then see how it compares to Microsoft Paint. But that's the only thing I can think to do. Apparently it supports Windows applications. So maybe we could get some simple EXEs running, some like 16-bit stuff. I don't exactly know what the OS was built for. Maybe that's what I'll do while this is going. Look up. Fuck it, let's look up games for OS2. You can play Lemmings. Free Civ was ported. Galactic Civilizations. Master of Empire. Super Star Trek. SimCity 2000 and SimCity. There are not many games. No, it's supposed to support. Excuse me. It's supposed to support Windows applications, I believe. So maybe older Windows programs will work. Oh. So this should be, there's a close button. What does this do? Is that a minimize button? All right, Shredder. Now let's play Find the Shutdown button. Initiate shutdown. Yes. Or restart the system by pressing Control-Delete. That didn't work. That just Control-Deleted my thing. Anyway. Yeah, let's go ahead and shut it down, and then I'll just restart it from the manager. All right, a couple more things we gotta do. just to get the snap driver installed. I really don't know about those sound effects, Warp. Unsupported, yep. Next. Alright, it says it just says let the installation do its thing, basically. And then we should, after reboot, see a splash screen, a new splash screen from SciTech. More color depth will be nice. We're going from 256 to 16 million, I think, what that represents. 16 million colors, wow. Ah, there's a new splash screen. Now, I don't think I need to do that again. Let's see. Let's close that out. Yeah, I think that was the auto boot. Alright, it says go to Warp menu, OS2 system, system startup, system. Let's increase the resolution to that, I guess. And we'll change this to 16M. Whoa. Oh, this is a warp guide? I am Justin. What's it say to do after that? Close the window? And reboot. Rebooting. Okay, last thing we gotta do with the drivers is register using a serial number from, I guess, whoever originally archived this information, this software. Ooh, there's a bigger resolution. Oh, it's so pretty. The mouse feels smoother. All right, get into the system. Ah, here's a registration. All right, so this said to open up the CD. Here we go. Is no longer actively being developed. Use the following free registration code to unlock the product. All right. I guess I'll be Mr. I guess I'll just use my just be Zombie Pixel, I guess. I don't know about the name. The name's a little confusing here. Hopefully it didn't have any kind of verification built in. Was that not the thing I was supposed to do? Open the SciTech folder on the desktop. Is a SciTech folder? I don't know how to minimize anything yet. Here we go. Registration tool. Here we go. Nice. All right, we are in here now. Connections. All right, let's see if we can. Well, let's check out Web Explorer. What does Web Explorer do? Fairly certain it cannot connect to anything, but oh, I don't know about this one. I have no clue. I mean, I didn't expect anything to happen because the internet's not really set up. And this computer's way too old. But worth a shot. Let's see what we got in programs. Multimedia. Movie. That's loud. I'm sorry. Yikes. Well, that was something. That was certainly something. I like how it just plays and then goes away. As you want all movies to do, of course. Games. We got Klondike Solitaire, OS2 Chess, Human against Computer. Use book opening. I don't know what that means. I'm a bad human. Whoa, is this 3D? I hit the middle click button. I'm not exactly sure what that was doing. Oh. Hey now. That certainly is something. This is like a terrible view. Can I... see options? I can do this. This is very difficult to tell what's happening. They never saw it coming. They don't know what to do. Like, why would you do that? That makes no sense. I don't know why I'd do that. What do you think about that one? Huh? Yeah, it's a trap. You can't do nothing now. Wow. Okay. I'm not good at chess, but that is interesting. Just kind of looking around, seeing what's going on in here. What's going on in here? Utilities. Picture viewer. All sorts of viewers. Two groups. Accessories. Ooh, paintbrush. That's what I was looking for. Notepad. These look like looks like a Windows program. Let's see about Notepad. IBM Win OS 2. This is indeed Microsoft Windows Notepad. Now, what is this? Properties? Desktop. Let's do a color only, and we'll do something very just Windowsy, maybe modern Windowsy. There we go. That is interesting, though. Klondike Solitaire. Now this looks kind of familiar. I think I recognize like the texture from something else. Cheat. Cheat, please. Can I just cheat over and over? Sorry about that. Sorry about the volume there. Very loud. What was I'm moving too fast for it? Or what? Getting pretty lucky with this. Wow. Anyway, that's solitaire. Let me go back to... Oh, that's what this was. The WinOS 2 group. So it's like... actually just Windows programs. So Paintbrush should be Windows Paintbrush. Mouse glitched out there for a minute. Minimize. Where does minimize even take it? It disappears. Now, I thought I installed an Office program. Is that in the programs here? Applications? Works, maybe? What is this? Oh, speech user profile. Can't type today. Still can't type. There we go. Cool. Alright. I don't need that. Oh, here we go. Let's open up a document. Create another document on the desktop. Did I do it wrong? Oh wait, no. This is the document right here. I meant to maximize. The scroll bar or the scroller on the mouse does not work. Which is fine, I suppose. Helvetica. What a great font. Let's make it bold and big. Big and bold. Can I type in whatever I want here? Oh, is there a maximum? No, there's not. Okay. Oh, there is. Okay. Oh, wait. 127. How big could that possibly be? You're telling me I don't have a... I have no reason to need a font that big? Or bigger than that? I can insert shapes. Very cool. All right, well, at this point, I don't know what I'm doing at all, which is fine. I just wanted to see if we could get OS2 Warp going and kind of browse around, see what it's like. I'm not very knowledgeable on this sort of thing, but that never mattered much. Oh, wait, Netscape Navigator? Oh. Okay, never mind. Anyway, I think that's all I got for this live stream. So talk to y'all later. Let me shut this down. And that'll be it. See ya.